What's up, everybody? We got a little update for you here. Got some new parts in. Yesterday these came in. These are Carbon Micro Systems headlight covers. So they replaced the metal cover here. It's a fantastic product, super light. Pretty excited to get these on. And a lot of you guys were saying that obviously the white here kind of looks strange, which I agree. But you'll also see we got a little surprise down there, which I'll get at here in a minute. But I'm going to go ahead and take this stuff apart, and I will be right back. Get you guys some video of what they look like going on. Alright guys, here they are installed. Disregard the missing trim piece here. The bolts on the original one are pretty rusty, so I figured they were going to break, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some bolts on the bottom sides of these here. And then that will be set on there like that. But I think it looks awesome. Really defines the front end of the car now, obviously being black in the front, white in the back. But yeah, I think it looks absolutely awesome. I'm going to go ahead and roll the car out. It's kind of a nice day out. I'll roll it out here. I'm going to wash it before we kind of store it here for winter. And I will get you a video of the new lip down there made by Carbon Micro Systems. Get some close-ups here. Also, I'll try to get some footage of the holographic sticker I got there. A lot of guys were asking on Instagram and Facebook about that, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a quick little view of the Carbon Microsystems Carlos Sans lip here. I would say overall fitment is pretty good. The one I got is, I don't know how you would say it, I guess a defect item. Might be hard to see, but you can see here just little stuff like this. But personally to me, not a big deal. I think it looks pretty good on here. I was a little skeptical at first if I was going to like it or not, but I think it turned out pretty good. It definitely lowered the front end of the car profile quite a bit, as you can kind of tell here. The front versus where possibly a future side skirt might be. Who knows yet? But yeah, I think it turned out really, really good. The only thing that I had to do, and I guess maybe it was more of a personal preference, is I went and put a rivet right here just to kind of keep this from not moving around so much. I also put a little rubber seal in here just so it wouldn't rub up against this fender in case I did not like this for some reason. I did go around and put 3M tape around the whole inside here just so it wouldn't rub against the bottom of the bumper either. I don't want it to scratch anything. And then, like I said earlier, I'm going to go get some bolts for these so I can get the little trim piece on, but also I think that turned out really, really good. I think it really makes the front of the car look pretty good now, but I'll let you guys be the judge. So I think the next project here is going to be get the car up on jack stands for the winter. Take the front tires off, take the back tires off, store those, and then once the trunk comes, we'll get that going. But in the meantime, really that's about it. Got a couple little projects here and there. I'll try to keep you guys updated on that. Also, one quick tip here, if anyone lives in a really cold region, I suggest getting something like this. It's a magnetic heater. It's, I think, a 300 watt heater. Just go ahead and plop that on the bottom of your oil pan, leave it plugged in for a couple hours. It seems to help a lot. For example, even like today, it's probably close to 50 out. Starting oil pressure will be somewhere around like 85 to 90 psi. With that unit plugged in, even when it's cold out, maybe like 30 degrees or less, I'm seeing low 80s, high 70s for oil temperature on startup, which is awesome, because if any of you guys run an ATS 2.3 like I do, they recommend a VR1 20W50, which is a really, really thick weight oil, and it does not like to come up to temperature in this sort of weather that I live in. So if any of you guys live even in a remotely colder climate, I'm sure it would even help if you lived in a warmer climate. Just kind of help prolong the life of the engine so you're not possibly risking, you know, bearings in the bottom end of some sort. So just my tip for you guys. But that's going to be it for everyone here. Thanks. Please come back again. I'm going to try to get a video out maybe once a week, every other week. Just need some motivation here, but I will see you guys later. Alright guys, I know I was going to end the video off there, but just walked up to the porch and I saw this. This is something I've kind of been saving up for on the side here. I'll show you why in just a second, but I'm going to go ahead and open this for you here. So what we have in here is a DEI turbo blanket. It's for a T3 housing because we do run a 6.3 housing on this car. Go ahead and open this. And that is going to be so much better than the product or turbo blanket I had in there before. Looks like it's going to be held on with some just some twist ties around here. But let me just show you guys why this is such a cool item for me, because probably for the past summer I've been using a turbo blanket that really probably isn't the best. I believe what happened here is when we first put this engine in, it got full of coolant and it deteriorated over time, and to the point where you can see it just falls right apart in your hand. Obviously, if anybody owns a turbo Celica, you know that heat management is kind of a big thing. So this product is going to be awesome. So I'll go ahead and get this in another video for you guys. Also get those headlight cover trim pieces on there in another video. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So thank you. I'll see you guys later.